conference will now be recorded.
Collaboratory. And today we will see about the pandas, how pandas will be. Okay, so we will write this one. Okay, let me continue. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So we done about our NumPy in the previous class, and today I want to start with the pandas, how pandas will be in Python. So simply pandas nothing but panel data. Pandas nothing but panel data. Okay, how this panel data is going to be available in Python library, panel data, and pandas is Python library. Pandas is Python library. Pandas, yeah, pandas is Python library for data manipulation and analysis. For data manipulation and data analysis. Data analysis. Okay, and one more point I want to tell. It is powerful. It is powerful and flexible data structure. Flexible, flexible data structure. Okay, let me start with the pandas. And pandas have some different kind of things. Okay, so uh, pandas have something like a panels, and which is going to be a collecting of numerical data and string data combination. Okay, so if you want, I will tell you how pandas is going to be available through the paint. Okay, for example, this is a panel. This is a panel, and this panel can contain with the rows and columns. We know that, and this is going to be having some rows and columns. Okay, data is going to be sitting here. Data is going to be sitting here, and for example, I want to have something like a serial number and name of the person, and qualification of the person, and salary of the person. And this is going to be having the data right now. Okay, this is the panel structure. For this panel structure, I could be having a data. So the data can be like this. Data is going to be available in the rows. Data is going to be available in the rows. Inside the panel, data is going to be available in the rows like this. Simply. And here you can give the different kind of data. Maybe you can give the numerical values, or you can give the numbers also. For example, this is the serial one. Name Mohansh, and qualification something like BTech, and salary is something like 90,000. This is a kind of thing. This is actually called a panel. This is actually called panel. How to create a panel uh, using with the pandas. First of all, same like NumPy, I need to add a module called import pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. PD is alias name. PD is alias name of pandas. PD is alias name of pandas. So when you execute it now, your collaborator you can able to understand the panel data, and you can able to do the different kind of operations on that, different kind of manipulations or operations on that. Okay, my panel, and now I can able to create. Okay, let me delete all this. I can able to create my own panel data. Okay, so let me create a simple panel now. Okay, a small panel. S is equal to, I want to create a pd dot series. pd dot series. Okay, series of the data I want to give inside. Okay, for this series of the data, I am giving something like 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 40. Okay, whatever the values you want, you can give it. Okay, 50. 60. Okay, I'm giving a simple series here, and this is going to be having something like index. This is going to be having something like index. So what index is? Index is equal to. So the data is a list here, and that is a series. And for each and everything, I should take some index. Okay, so something like index is what you want: A comma B comma A comma B comma C comma. How many values are there? D comma E comma F. Okay, so this is the index. This is the index, and that is a series. And finally, what my requirement is, I just want to print the data. Print S. S is my object basically. Okay, print this series. When you print this series, okay, maybe module pandas has no attribute called a series. Okay, maybe spelling mistake. Yes, Series series. Maybe capital letter. Yeah, it is capital letter basically. pd.series, I want to take a list object here, and this list object related to index. This list object related to the index. And what is the data type here? So A, B, C, D, E, F, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. You got to understand how the panel is going to be creating. A simple panel. A simple panel. Series is nothing but only one column. One column is series. But if you have multiple columns, that is called data frame. This is called series, but I can able to create the data frames also. Okay, this is the series creation. Series creation. Yeah, everybody getting understand how the things are getting happening with
Yes, sir.
Janardhan, Rohit, Sai, Sri, Vishnu.
Sir.
Yeah, let's go. Let me create a data frame now. This is a series creation. Let me create a data frame. Data frame. Data frame. Okay, how to create a data frame? Let me take a data object. Data is equal to, now I want to create a data frame. Can I take a object? Data is something like I want to create an object like employee data, whatever it may be. Okay, so the name is Mohansh. Name is Mohansh. Okay, or let me give the multiple names. Name, first name is Mohansh, and the second name is Sai Sri. Sai Sri, and Rohit, comma Rohit, and one more Janardhan. Okay, this is the name related data, and comma, this is a object, just Python dictionary, na, the same kind of dictionary I'm trying to creating now. And I want to give the ages for this guys. Okay. Age, I need to specify the ages here. Let me give something like 23, 21, and Rohit 23, 22. Okay, these are the values for those four people. And let me give the location something like, I need to provide different locations over there. Let me provide um, Mohansh available from Hyderabad, and Sai Sri from Vijayawada, and Rohit from Delhi, Janardhan from Chennai. Okay, so I will be create a data frame for this. Data is ready, and the data frame df is equal to pd dot data frame. This is a value automatically coming. Accept it. Oh my god. pd dot data frame. pd dot data frame. क्या हुआ? Data frame of data. You pass the data inside. You pass the data inside. Finally, I need to print the df. Na? Print df. Okay, series is single row, single column, but data frame is different. Data frame is, oh my god, what is that? Invalid
Comma is
syntax.
missing, sir, in the second age.
Comma missing.
Age. Yeah. Age keeper, yeah. Yeah, no, it's good. Yeah.
ठीक है हो गया. So name, age, location. Name, age, location. So for Mohansh is there, 23 is there, Hyderabad, and Sahistri 21 Vijayawada, Rohit 23 Delhi. Sir, I'm writing series, I'm writing data frame, but this is a small data. But in real time, you need to go for the data analytics or data science area. You people are getting the millions of records, thousands of records. Okay, but straightforward, try to understand with the small data and what are the different kind of operations I can able to work like that. Try to work out, then you can able to understand how the things are going to be happening with. Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so fine. Hmm. I will be having a huge amount of the data. I want to take the huge amount of the data for this series. Let me copy here and go to the code. And I want to take the huge amount of the data. N number of names I want to take. Yeah, duplicates, okay, no problem. Copy. Sorry, copy and paste. Okay, multiple names I am giving. And here also ages I am copying and giving more data. And even these locations also I am giving the more data. Oh, oh, sorry. This one I need to copy. Copy and paste. Okay, fine. Now data frame is bigger. I will be having a huge amount of the data. But what my requirement is, see the 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 automatically coming. I am not giving here. These index values I am not giving. Index is automatically taking. Index is automatically taking for the data frame. Okay, so index starts with a 0. Index starts with a 0. Now what my requirement is, I want to get only the first 5 records. I want to get only the first 5 records. Print of df.head. df.head. When I say head, only the first 5 records you can able to see. Only first 5 records you can able to see. Mohansh, Sai Sri, Rohit, Janardhan, Mohansh again. There is a one more concept like head of. I can go for head of 2. When I say head of 2 means pass the index head of 2. Okay,
3 records.
only 3 records. I can see only 3 records or 2. 2 means only 2 records I can able to see, 0 and 1 maybe. Yeah, 0 and 1.
Mm.
Okay, print of tail. Okay, df dot tail. What the tail is here? Tail is something like five records. Last 5 records I can able to access. Okay, last 5 records these are, and I want to get only the last 2 records. Okay, print of df dot tail of 2. Then I can able to see the last 2 records only. That's fine. That's fine. And there is a one more important method, info method. What is the info? Df dot info. Df dot info. I can able to check the df information, data frame information. Data frame information. This is the pandas core data frame, and the range index is 8. Entries 0 to 7. And data columns, total 3 columns. Columns are name, age, location, and non-null count 888. And first thing is object. Second thing is integer. Third thing is object. Why this is object?
All
Why
string
the why
values.
the yes yes. Why the when the data is in the string, that is going to be taking as an object. When the data is in numericals, that is going to be taken by the int 34. Okay, some memory usage, and what are the data types? Integer is 1, object is 2, memory uses 324.0 plus bytes. That is the memory it is got allocated with. And there is a one more method, df dot describe method. So what a describe method is? Df dot describe. Okay, df dot describe. So what this method can do? This is going to be giving the uh, describe kind of thing. So it is like a table, which is like a table. So count what is the mean value, what is the standard deviation, what is the mean value, what is the 25% value, what is the 50% value, what is the 75% value related to the age. So describe will not work on the string data. Describe will work on the numerical data. See, for example, when you have the sales data, okay, I want to check what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value, what is the mean value, what is the standard deviation value, and what about the 25% range value. So some kind of describe you can able to work on the sales data. Okay, so like that you can able to work. Now I want to select the specific columns, sir. I want to select the specific columns or specific rows. How I can go for specific columns or specific rows? Okay, I want to access only the single column from the DF. Okay, accessing data from uh, panel from data frame. Accessing data from data frame. Okay, DF of. Okay, what do you want? Can I access name? Only name related data I can able to see. Only name related data I can able to see. See a DF of age. Only age related data I can able to see. And the DF of location. Only location related data I can able to see. Only location related data I can able to see. Can you see that location? Okay, I want to access two things. DF dot name and age. DF of name comma age. Only two columns I want to access. Only two columns I want to access. DF of name comma age. DF of name comma age. Whenever you are accessing the two things, you need to give the one more square braces. Okay, I can able to access the name and age properly. Okay, only name and age. I don't want to access everything. Okay, so first of all, I want to access the first. This is our columns actually. I want to access the rows now. Access rows. Access rows from data frame. Access rows from the data frame. This is actually access columns from the data frames, but now I want to access the uh, row. Okay, row means what I can do? DF of location of 0. This is automatically giving a okay, right. DF dot log. Can I say iloc? Iloc is index location. Iloc of 0. When I say iloc of 0, what it could give for me? Okay, Mohansh 23 Hyderabad. Am I correct? iloc. Iloc. What is iloc and what is a lock? What is the difference between iloc and lock? Both are same. Both are same. So 0 is a person, Mohansh. Can I receive the one df dot iloc index location of 1 or 2? Who is 2? Who is 1? Who is 1? 1 is Sai Sri, I think so. Yeah, Sai Sri. Am I clear? Am I clear? Okay. I want to access a specific data like df dot log of second or first index, and I need to see the location. I need to see the location. So df of 1 and location. What is the 1 data? What is the 1? 1 is Sai Sri, right? And Sai Sri, I am asking location. I'm not asking age. Sai Sri related, I am asking location. 1 related location. It is clearly giving. It is clearly giving. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Next, filtering. How to go to filters? Filters in data frames. Filters in data frames. Sorry, data frames. Filters in data frames. Very simple, straightforward. Okay, I want to access the data which age greater than 22. Which age is greater than or 20 or greater than 20. Everybody have greater than 20 only, na? So let me tell like 21. Okay. So df of age, df of age. Sorry, this is a function. Age greater than 20. Age greater than 21. Okay. df of age greater than 21. Now I can see. Now I can see. Hmm. Everybody greater than 21 only. Huh? Can I say to greater than 22? Greater than 22 means only 23. 23 age people will come. Okay. Only Mohansh and Rohit. Only Mohansh and Rohit having age greater than 23. Okay. I want to access the person from Hyderabad. I want to access the person from Vijayawada or Vijayawada. Okay. How to access the person from Vijayawada? DF of and DF of city. Okay. Or location. Location. Location compare to Vijayawada. Vijayawada is there. Small letters or capital letters? Small letters. VIJ. Now, I can able to access a person who is available from Vijayawada, a person who is from Hyderabad, a person who is from Hyderabad. Okay, only Mohansh. A person who is from Delhi, a person who is from Delhi. Only Rohit will come. A person who is from Chennai. I think Janardana. Who is in Chennai? Who is in Chennai?
Janardhan.
Janardhan only, right? So this is something like giving the locations. Okay. Now, what my requirement is, I want to add a new column. I want to add a new column. I want to add a new column for these guys. Okay. Let me have the adding columns. Already 3 columns we have now. How many columns we have? How many columns we have for the existing data frame? How many columns we have for the existing
Three.
data?
Name, age, location, 3 columns.
3 columns. I want to add the column. Okay. DF of let me give the salary. I don't have any salary. Salary is already there. Huh? Not there. Only age, name, location. Now I am giving the salary. Salary is equal to provide the values. Sir. How many values we need to give? Maybe 6 or 8 values I need to give. I think so. Okay, let me give the 8 values: 67,000, 56,000, 45,000, 58,000, 67,000, and 28,000. Just different values I am providing. Okay, now finally after adding this column, I want to print df. Okay, column added. My God, length of value 6 does not match length of index 8. Maybe 6 values we have. 2, 3, 8 values we need to give. It seems 8 values we need to give. It seems totally 8 members are there. For 8 members, salaries got added. One column, new column got added. Can you see? New column got added. Am I clear, guys? Basically, our data frame having only 3 columns like name, age, location. But finally, I'm trying to adding the salary column also. Adding column is simple. Next, drop the column. How to drop the column? Okay, drop the column. So drop column. What is the meaning of drop? What is the meaning of drop here? Remove.
Delete the column
Delete or
or
remove.
remove the column.
Yes. Okay. Now df is equal to df dot drop. Simple method. Drop. which column I want to drop, you need to specify the column. So let me delete the age column. Let me delete the age column from the that is access one actually. First row. Column name is in the first row in the data frame. Column name is first row in the data frame. That is the way reason you need to provide the access is equal to 1. Access is equal to 1. Then automatically that column is getting removed. Zero column is name. Zero column is basically name, and one column is age. Now finally you print the df. After dropping the column, you print the df. Sorry, age access one. No, I think it may be salary. The last one is salary. Yeah, salary again. Age also removed. Huh? Maybe that is working. Seems age and salary both are removed, dropped. Okay. This is the one way you can work out.
But we asked only for salary, right, sir? Why age is dropped?
First time I executed with age, na?
Oh, age. Okay, okay. Sorry.
Uh,
On the
so
previous slide, with
let
age.
me add the salary one more time. I want a salary basically. Why? Because I need to sort values. For sorting purpose, I need to add one more time. Adding the column. Adding the column. Yeah, column added. Salary added. Right. Now I want to sort with the values. Sort by the salary. Let me do sorting process. Sorting data frame. Sorting data frame. Okay. Sort by. Okay. df dot sort value. Sorry. df dot sort sort values by. Where is the method? Sort 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 underscore values. Sort values underscore by age. Age is not there with me. That is the why reason I'm giving salary. I'm giving salary. Okay. On salary and ascending order or descending order. What do you want?
Running.
Ascending. Okay. Ascending. Spelling ascending. Yeah, ascending is equal to true. Ascending order I want to actually take it. Okay, ascending true. Then finally execute it. Okay. Now salaries are sorting based on the ascending order. Ascending order means 28,000 is coming first. Then the next bigger value is 45,000. Next bigger value is 56,000. Next bigger value is 58,000. Next bigger value is 67,000. Like that values are going on. Like that values are going on. Am I clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Now there is one more important things I want to working like grouping data. How to make groups. Okay. Grouping data. Okay, let me take some data here. Okay. Data is equal to I want to prepare the data first of all. It is an object. Okay, based on the department I just want to group the values. Okay, let me go with the department first of all. Department I should go with different departments here. One is the IT department, and one more is HR department, and one more is again IT department, and one more is finance department. Oh, there are super. My God. For all the people, data is going to be providing, and salaries also need to have. I don't. Department is there, employee is there, and the salary is there. Salary I don't have value, sir. How many salaries I need to provide here? take the salaries also here. Okay, so is there any issue? Comma separated properly. Yeah. Now this is the data I got. Now I want to prepare the DF2. First of all, I want to prepare the DF2. So DF, already DF is there. That is the why reason I'm preparing the DF2. DF2 is equal to pd dot data frame data. pd dot data frame data. We have the data object, data value, and finally I need to print the DF2. DF2 is going to be getting the data. Yes, this is the department, employee, and salary. This time I don't have the employee or employee name, whatever it may be. Department, employee, salary. This is one kind of data. Now the important thing is I want to group the values. Okay, I want to group the values. Uh, okay, let me group the values by the department. Okay, df2 dot group by. There is a method called group by. Group by what? Group by what? Department. Department dot mean. Department I want to group by using by the mean value. Using by the mean value, or you can do department uh, and salary group by salary mean actually. Salary dot mean. This is enough. Mean is a function. Okay. Let me see what is the output of this. There is an error. Explain the error. Could not find the salary. Yeah, salary is not there. Accept and run. Okay, it may be something like a key error. Where is a key error? Missing by. Oh, salary. Department mean could not convert. Okay, group by. Let me take salary here. Expected error. Could not convert string HR to numeric. So problem. Let me check it out. Group by is there, and department. Department group by department. Same time I want to take salary also. Salary is the numerical value. Department salary, then
So department is in parenthesis and salary is in a list type, right?
yeah.
Instead of numerical.
Group by department. Group by department. Salary mean level. Oh, okay, I got it. Group by department actually. Group by department, HR department, IT department, and based on the salaries. We have only two departments, na? IT and HR. Can you see? IT and HR. IT and HR we have, and departments group the departments based on the salary mean. Salary mean 42,500 and salary mean 61,500. Okay, HR department mean average salary is this. IT people average salary is this. Mean is nothing but average. Na? Okay, that is one group by operation. You can able to work out. That is very simple, straightforward. Okay, so very
So
important thing.
For department parenthesis and Y for salary, that square braces, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Department actually group by value is department. Group by value is department, and based on the salary mean basis, based on the salary mean, I want to group by the departments.
I understood, sir. Why specifically we can give the
That is
parenthesis on
no,
type
no,
of
no, no.
salary.
That is the syntax. That is the
That is a
syntax.
syntax.
Uh,
Okay.
See, what you are doing
Okay.
is you are actually calculating the mean value of the salary group by departments. We have the
Yes,
group
sir.
by all the two departments. I am just making the groups. The first IT department and HR department, making the two groups. For each group, what is the mean? What is the mean salary? Okay,
Okay.
so when you want to check the mean, or when you want to check the min value, when you want to check the max value, something like that, and standard deviations kind of things. These are the data analytics basically. How the people are
Okay.
doing the data analytics in the real time. And there is a one more important thing I want to tell you here. Handling missing values in data frames. This is very important. Handling missing values. Missing values, something like none values will come in the real time. Whenever you want to give this data to the data science for machine learning algorithm, for machine learning algorithm, you need to clean the data. You need to clean the data means you need to remove the null values, you need to remove the junk values, all these things. So whenever you want to clean the data, that this pandas is going to be a powerful thing. You can able to easily clean the data, and you need make data beautiful. Then only machine learning algorithm can understand either a supervised learning or unsupervised learning or reinforcement learning. First of all, your data should be keep neat. Okay, no null values, no missing values. But whenever you have the missing values kind of things, so how you can remove it, how to handle it. Okay, there is a concept actually I will tell you. Okay, let me prepare a df, a data frame df3. Df3 is equal to mm, wow, super gada. Super. PD dot data frame, he is giving some numbers, he is giving something. Okay, a something, b something. Let me take okay, one data frame, first data frame, some nan value is there. What is the nan? Numpy dot nan. Nan means what? Not a number. Nan means not a number. Not a number. Nan means not a number. Remember. Okay, these are the two things now. Okay, how to fill the values, or you can say none values like that. None values. None. This is a none. This is a none. This is a none. Somewhere I have the none value. Somewhere I have the none value. Okay. First of all, what I want to do is let me check the DF3. What is the DF3 now? Never closed. Oh my God. Okay. 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 Closing parenthesis. Somewhere closing parenthesis.
First flower, then parenthesis, sir.
Yes, that is the correct. Still DF3 have the issue. Value error, handling the missing values. All arrays must be in the same length. All arrays must be in the same length. Okay. This one.
No, only four are there. One more eight you can give.
Okay. 6 comma 3 comma. Okay. Data frame. Yes. I have some nan values. I have some nan values. We don't give this data to the machine. In the machine learning, you cannot give this kind of data. What you need to do is you need to clean the data. You need to clean the data. So let me clean the data or fill the null values. Fill the null values. Fill the missing fields. Okay. How to fill the missing fields? Then df dot fill now. Fill now. Okay, what I need to fill here? What I need to fill with
Not
what?
a number.
With none value. Hope I have none, right? Hope I have none. None with some 4. None with some 4. Okay, this is the filling process. This is the filling process. Okay, let me check it out. DF3, yeah, this is DF3. Let me check the DF3 finally. Oh, issue. 1, 2 positional argument, but we are 1 to 2 positional arguments, but 3 were given. Positional arguments. Invalid syntax. Explain the issue.
Probably it is taking A and B as a two, sir. 1 or 2.
Let me check. Let me check.
This AI is nice.
Mm-hmm. Uh,
That is not filling.
DF3 dot fill now. Okay, I want to fill with df3 dot main. Yes, df3 dot. It seems it got filled. I think so.
Why means mean is like a
Mean,
average,
mean,
right?
mean average value. Whatever the average value is there, that null value I need to fill with the average value. That's it. So this is the one simple thing, and we will be having more and more operations on pandas. Okay, and one more day we will take for the pandas. Tomorrow also I go through the pandas, and tomorrow anyway I will start with the matplotlib. Visualize the data. Whatever the data we have here, that I need to see the visualizations. Let me go. There is a one more important library called matplotlib. Okay, so this is very important for the data science people, data analytical people. Okay, matplotlib is the visualization of Python. You can feel like graphs. Okay, you feel different examples over there. Okay, scatter plot, bar chart. So this is the numpy. Numpy is needed and pandas is needed. You need to arrange the data and you need to work with them. Okay, so can I take this? I will show how this is actually very interesting topic. NumPy is interesting, pandas is interesting, even matplotlib is also interesting. That's one simple example I taken here. Oh, style dot okay, maybe I got a chart here. Plot dot show numbers. Okay, let's have the pandas one more session. After the pandas, I'll go through the matplotlib. So everybody is going to be understanding the sessions. I'm going very slow. Why? Because these topics are very important for the data analytics, data science, and even AI. That is the why reason I'm going very slow. Just carefully observe the things and follow the YouTube channel and provide your comments in the YouTube channel. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. And we have 2 batches now. These 2 batches, okay, already started yesterday. 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. One batch, and 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. another batch. 2 batches I already started. And yesterday class was very good. A lot of people joined, like 20 plus people. Very good. But please share this message with your friends, sir. Every day I'm telling to you, Mohansh is giving all the classes free. No need to pay money for the classes. Live classes you can able to attend for all emerging technologies. Only emerging technologies like Python, UI, JavaScript, and this Marne stack, React.js, Express.js, Node.js, and coming to the ML AI integration, different kind of databases, and all the programming languages also we are giving free of cost. No need to pay money. And very soon, already 4 batches running now, live sessions, and 2 more batches are going to be getting starting from November. Okay, November 2nd. One small announcement before only I'm telling that is the generative AI. November 2nd, we are going to be starting a generative AI class. Uh, we are going to be announcing generative AI. Okay, that is exclusively 50 days class and free of cost. Again, free of cost. Generative AI, agentic AI, free of cost. No need to pay money. Okay, so artificial intelligence, advanced one is generative AI, automatically advanced one is agentic AI. And nowadays, everybody is actually uh, populating the ads in the Facebooks or in the YouTube. Gen AI, agentic AI. What is this Gen AI? What is this agentic AI? Okay, that session is also free of cost. Okay, so that's all actually I want to tell you. And one more free batch I am going to be starting for the React.js. Later we will announce it. React is also very, very popular. Once you learn some React kind of programming, freshers or experienced persons can able to get the jobs very, very easily. Just forward this message with your friends, okay, or in your groups. I hope everybody have some college groups or student groups are available now. Just to follow up this message and try to make attend more people for free sessions, whatever we started.
And definitely, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Some guys are missing today.
Sir,
Actually,
prerequisites
we all in him.
generative AI and
Python.
agentic
Python.
Python. Okay.
That is the reason I started Python before.
Can you go to the collab and scroll up, sir?
Yeah, I'll go. Hmm.
Scroll up, scroll up.
This one you don't worry. Later we will start.
No,
Now
no, no,
go,
no, no.
go.
No, scroll like 4 to 5 cells.
Okay.
Still, sir, still,
Okay.
still.
Okay.
No, and still. Here, sir.
Hmm.
Just a bit down.
Hmm. A deleted salary, na?
No, no, no. Okay, please go. Uh, Here, why we are giving 2 times of DF, sir? Here.
This is actually condition, sir. DF of this is condition. This is condition. DF of location is equal to double is equal to nothing but comparison. Double is equal to Chennai. That value I want to access. Location Chennai related I want to access. DF of. Why? Because of this is condition. For condition I'm taking this. This is the value, na? This is picking some value, na? DF of location is picking one a complete column, right?
Okay,
This is the column, and which is going to be checking with the value equality Chennai. In the column, there are multiple values like Chennai. So those values only I want to pick up DF of. That is the reason. Don't confuse syntax. You write down somewhere. Write down somewhere with a pen and paper. You please remember syntax. These are important. Okay, so please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. I will upload the session in YouTube. Just follow the YouTube channel and please provide your comments and like the video. Okay, and that free sessions message, please forward with your friends, guys. Okay. Right. Have a nice day. See you signing off. We'll meet again tomorrow.